This will be the how-to video on how to add a telephone number for audio message or that text-to-speech. So not to be confused with text messages. This wouldn't be a cell phone for text message. This would be actual dial that phone number and play an audio file or that text-to-speech like I said. So first thing we'll do on the welcome page, we're going to select the VT3000 core software. What we want to be is this outputs under configuration. So you select that on the menu over here. You can use your icons. So configuration, outputs. When we get to the outputs page, we want to be under the add new. And we have to use your menu here to get to phone number. We're going to select that. We're going to give it a name. So just going to use this one I've already got in here. This John Doe's phone. Classification. So this is what type of a phone number are we calling. So no progression is a special one that probably not used too often. But your other options here would be so an office extension. So if we're just going to dial extension 200 and that's going to go to John, then that's what we would select here. If we're setting up like a PA system, so we're using a phone call to play a message over a PA system, you would select this. Standard means exactly what it says, just a standard phone line. So that's what I'm going to go with. That's what this is, just a standard phone line calling John. And so we'll just put in phone number. I already got this one typed in there. The next thing after we set that up, I want to go to my availability. So not available means we're not talking to him. We're not sending any messages to him. Always means we're sending messages 24/7, all 365 all the time until someone acknowledges that alarm. During a specific shift means he only works first shift. We want to select that schedule. We want to select that, hey, he's only working first shift. So that's the only time we're going to send any audio messages to him. Once you get that set up, you can do save and add new to add an additional phone line, or you can hit save and exit. Now you'll see where that phone is showing up here. And if we look here on our phone numbers under add new, now it shows that we have. That'll conclude this how-to on adding a phone number to the system. Forward talking to you again.